we are in the grill. We have to link up with Raymond real quick. Yo! Yeah, so he was gonna be supplying us with the lobsters today. The vibe. Yo, the water today is just beautiful.
Pick up yourself, yo.
Yo, bless up. The man himself.
Yeah.
You guys remember Raymond? You don't know. Live lobster, everything.
Yeah, let me show you what word.
Hey, yeah. So if we get a bucket with the salt water, we can put them in and keep them alive.
Keep them alive, yeah. No use on fresh water, use live
Okay,
water. Yeah,
fresh sea water.
Yes, man, they live. They're kicking lobsters.
Whoa, so I'll go over to today?
Nah, from Jamaica, I'm going to around the real.
John, we almost think about to go today, you know.
No, Joe, yo. But pull me out to pull up and clean up and set up, you know.
Yo, I kind of want to go this again today, you know.
No, Joe.
No, I'm serious about you couldn't stop for we. I forgot to go as one trip I make.
Yeah, one trip.
Two.
Really, yo.
Yeah.
Yo, you think still up, God knows.
No, you see me then?
Yeah, you think still up. You know, respect it. Yo, one baby.
Wow.
Big up. Yeah. Ah, you're good. Alright, yo, keep the link, yo. No bless you, yeah? Alright.
Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island. I'm stuck with you guys and we're always smiling. So, as you guys might realize, we are somewhere pretty cool, pretty colorful. Let me close the gate. And we're off to another adventure. So we are currently now in Negril again. You guys know I'm a big fan of Negril. So we're down here again. We're at the country. It's kind of like a hotel, villa type of resort type of stuff that we're at right now. So the agenda right now is to go parasailing. Fun tip, both of us have never gone parasailing before, so we're going to be doing it today. Jilly always wants to go skydiving, so I guess it's going to be like a really cool precursor to that. Me, I'm not really a big fan of, you know, jumping out of a plane or whatever, but anyway, we're going to be doing that. So we're going to link up with the security. Funny enough, you've seen a couple of our videos, so that's pretty cool. And we're going to get a quick little link to a parasailing setup, and then we're going to go out there today. It's hot. It's pretty hot. And that's why we got our coldest bottles. Guys, yo, remember, drop in the link in the description box. Yo, cop your coldest bottles. They're really cool. I never travel anywhere without them off late. It's going to keep your drink cool, which is going to be amazing. As a matter of fact, I'm going to try to get a couple ice cubes into this because this ice has been in there from, when did you put it in there? From yesterday morning. Yeah. So we came here last night and these ice still been in there. So anyway, I'm going to tap that up really quick and then we can head out. All right, bye.
Thank you.
All right, so we got our bottles filled and everything. In my bottle today, I have some cherry juice and a bit of water as well. So yeah, are you excited?
Excited.
I am super excited
so
about
excited.
today. So excited!
First time doing something.
Oh yeah, first time doing this. So, oh them that out there, sir? Bless up in the bro.
Thank you, Akeem.
All right, vibe. So already, I thought we were gonna be probably waiting out there for probably like an hour or so. But yo, we are on the run. So I'll catch you guys when we get on the boat. All right, so we actually went with Premium Water Sports. They say it's usually $140, but we paid 100. So if you're Jamaican or whatever, yeah, I guess. When you travel, there's always a possibility for a bartering system. So anyway, we're heading on the parasailing boat really quick, and we're gonna head out. Toss on your back first. Yep. Blessings, blessing.
What's your name?
Me, Lorenzo.
Yeah.
Juliana and Steven.
Yes, sir. Yeah, man. So we're on the boat right now.
Yeah, we're going to stay. You need to balance up.
Yeah?
Sit over.
Oh, okay. Balance up. All right. Yeah. So traveling in the boat is basically like traveling on a plane. So they have to balance everything so it moves accordingly. So yeah, we're heading out now. You excited?
Very.
Yeah, I'm super excited. There's a couple of us here, so whenever you take this trips out, you might come with a couple of people, you know. So that's going to be our vibe. It's a lovely day out when we're here with Captain Lorenzo, right? Bless up, Lorenzo. You see me? What's the weather like usually over here? Usually good? Okay, cool.
Nice weather.
Nice weather. Alright, so this time of year the weather has been pretty good. Well, maybe a year ago I was here, the weather was kind of bad because of the storm, but luckily it's good now. Anyway.
You guys on Instagram?
Yeah.
YouTube.
YouTube.
Yeah.
Yeah, Instagram. A friend.
For what?
For the house.
I am, but this boat is not the boat that's doing the parasailing, it's just a boat that take us over to the other boat. Yo. Damn. Why's that? No, I'm actually freaking excited. Feels like Mission Impossible when you're, you know, jumping from one car to the next. That's how it feels because it's pretty rocky. I don't even know how the hell we're gonna get up to the next side, but we're gonna do it. All right. Yo, the sail looks so massive on camera. I don't think you can actually realize the magnitude of how big it is. Oh, we're so close.
Let's go, guys.
Go, 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 go. Go ahead. Okay.
Oh, wait.
Sorry. So we're safely in. I think that's like an awesome part of the experience. That was it. I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, we're out here. It's intimidating. Wasn't good? You were scared? As in, like, is it grabbing you and stuff? Like
No, the ride is comfortable,
Yeah.
but if you're afraid of heights, then you get afraid.
So sorry. Alright, so quite a bit of ladies are on the boat right now, and two of them said it was uncomfortable for them. Because they're
Really high.
It's really high.
Yeah, really high. And then you're way above sea level.
Oh my gosh. You'll never do it again?
I would.
You do it again? Okay.
Ladies, guys, you go up in the boat for me, please. All the way up.
Excited, right?
It looked bigger than I thought, so now I'm like, what the hell? Like,
No, man, come. You don't want to go first?
So you guys
You want somebody else to go first?
yeah, I don't think so.
Alright.
The two of us are together.
Hey, you come. You come. Come over here. Come over here.
Strap your back. Strap your.
Alright,
You don't
so
want any pictures?
no, it don't matter. So this has already feel like very touristic. It's very quick, it's very fast. They're just like, yo, hop on.
You don't have to, alright? You can let go.
Okay. And we are super duper high up in the air.
Whoa, this is fun.
Yeah, I'm looking down. We are super duper high up in the air.
It's amazing though, it feels nice.
It's
wow.
honestly, I feel like a drone. I feel like a drone. To be honest, I don't like heights. Not a fan of heights. But we're just here to just enjoy this moment and just, you know, vibe. How do you feel?
Nice. I feel like I'm on top of the world.
Really?
It's nice.
Oh my gosh. It's amazing.
We're high enough?
We are so high.
Wow.
For people who are afraid of stuff like this, like I always say,
Whoa.
everything through Christ who strengthens me. So I'm just having like a lot of faith in him right now. Because oh my gosh, we have doubled in height. Whoa.
That's right across the street. Oh man, the breeze and take away.
Oh my gosh.
Wow. Please keep us safe.
Yeah. I promise you this, I don't see myself going skydiving. Probably not.
Skydiving will be different because you just make one jump and then that's it. But this is like we're here, like just.
Honestly, Beans, I think today's experience is making me have so much faith in God. Like right now I'm up here and I'm just like, this is God. Yeah, we never even planned for this. We just got up and just been like, yo, let's go parasailing. And then that was that.
So only hold on tight.
Yeah. Yeah, I think up here is good.
Physical, mental high.
Oh, like a mental high?
Yeah. How long them keep us here?
I honestly hope not that long. I don't want to be up here that long. I'd like to be up here for maybe another 5 more minutes.
Is it over and out?
Over and out. I think from that point I would be donezo. It's a great weather today. Great weather, yes it is. Yep. Whoa.
How do you tell if you're done? Like, if you're ready to come down?
I have no clue.
Close that on.
Yeah, I think that was the takeaway from this. I felt like it was a bit too rushed. Like, no breathing space. Yeah, so that's a takeaway. But anyway, up here is awesome. Up here is amazing.
Look across. It's beautiful.
Yeah, very good. The wind is kicking up. What? You know, I feel not 1 ounce of being nervous. I'm not even at my heart's not even racing. It's just like,
I'm gonna see if I see any fish.
oh yeah, or probably sharks.
Yeah.
Nothing.
We're not out that far. What?
I mean, they can swim in it. Sharks can go anywhere they want. I don't really see a reef here. Probably there is. I'm so excited!
Okay.
Woo!
This feels good.
Woo! Yeah! And we're going back up. I kind of want to know what the technique is to actually get us done. Are we going to like crash dive into the water?
Get wet.
Oh my gosh.
Let's see, huh?
Yeah, I'm sure it's a technique, a good little...
Have to be, because it's so
Yeah.
high. Yeah.
Even the way that they had it in the back, like just gliding when we were parked up.
It's a nice feeling though, it's nice.
It's a nice feeling, I love this.
If I could get myself to let go of the straps, I think I'd be happy better.
Woo! Yo. Oh, snap. Oh, they're reeling us in. Yeah, they're done, yeah. Onto the boat like freaking James Bond. Yo, that was just epic. Overall experience, yo, my heart never even skipped a beat any at all. They took you right up. Just have confidence that, yo, they got you covered and everything like that. So anyway, how did you feel about the experience, Beats? Oh my gosh.
Nice first experience.
Nice first time experience.
I felt like I was on a high.
Really?
Yeah, no long skydive.
Honestly, this experience made me feel like I would be up to the skydive because like it felt quite invigorating. So we're getting ready to do that Mission Impossible thing all over again. Yeah, the change. Time for the great escape. Mission Impossible is over and they're out. Let's balance the boat. Come on this side. My bag's on this side. And we're gone. That was a super rapid experience, yo, mad. Awesome, man.
It was really good.
Pretty good. It's done. So alright. We're off first. Zips and turn for the people who watch the videos and learn a bunch of stuff. Entering a boat, coming off the boat. Just sit your butt down and just slide off. Boom, bless up Lorenzo. Yeah. Guys, that was an amazing quickie. I think it was a quickie of a trip. Like I said, there's a couple stuff that, yeah, you guys watch the videos and you might learn from it, which is, for one, remember, it's a touristic type of thing, so you're gonna be out there with quite a bit of people, so it's gonna be quick. It's not gonna be something very romantic and stuff.
Don't eat before you kind of go out. Like, give yourself some time to eat. It's so fast paced, like there are gonna be times when you kind of feel like,
Yeah,
a little queasy.
that's a fact. So yeah, super vibe. My Crocs is there, but you know, no matter what, I would not leave the coldest bottles at all. That's something that I'm definitely not leaving. The Crocs, yeah. Anyway, refreshing. It was awesome, man. It was, yeah.
Look at her face, she's smiling.
Oh yeah, smiling from ear to ear. Yo, bless up in her, bro. No problem, brother. Respect. So yeah, yeah, super amazing trip out. Julie's actually hungry, so we're gonna stop and get some lunch really quick. And yeah, we are back to this hotel. Yeah, we need to wash our hands, and it is hot, bruv. Oh god. Whew. It's pretty hot out there. Oh, I need to wash my face too. So we're about to grab us some lunch at the moment. Thank you very much. Oh, it's on both sides? Yes. Alright, thank you so much. I'm definitely getting something from the salad side. Yeah. So yeah, I got the salad because homeboy be watching his weight. Yeah. Don't know, a part of YouTube that many people don't really know and appreciate is that it's a lot of work that goes into it, you know, whether I'm sitting down a lot of the times to edit and stuff like that. And yeah, just even the filming aspects, you know, it's a hustle and bustle, even just catching the video for you guys here today. Yeah, but I like the excitement of doing all that. Anyway, so we're gonna get, I'm getting a Caesar salad because that's what I'm feeling for, and you're getting the wings. So we're gonna have some food really quick and see where the day leads us. Alright, so there's my Caesar salad. Honestly, this is a big Caesar salad, but yo, I'd rather get more food than get less food, to be honest, because it was about like 15 bucks, I believe. So that's a Caesar salad right there. Looks really good. And Julie come smell up the place with fair food. You know it smells good. It's some wings and French fries. How is it? How's the fries?
Typical fries.
Typical fries, facts.
I mean, they're just made so it's really hot.
Sure.
They're good.
Guys, quick official review. Salad up because there's little bacon bites in it. I don't know if it's like jerk chicken or whatever the case with. A little bit of whole wheat bread kind of crouton thing happening. There's a vibe. I actually enjoy the salad and the sauce on top, the dressing. Amazing, man. Bruh. Alright, so the cool part about our room, we're actually at room number 516. That's the room that we stayed at. So cool part about our room is that it is close to the pool. So I'm just dropping off a couple of the stuff and then we're gonna head to the pool.
So where you go? You have dates? You know where you go on dates?
Alright, so Michelle up on the phone right now. Julia talk to Michelle. I don't know. We in Negril, remember Michelle from the last videos. That's my cousin, and you know, just reminiscing on a good time. So, but anyway, when we're done, we'll just go jump right into the pool and just relax and just enjoy the rest of the weekend. Alright guys, usually taking photos, but this stick can actually collect water in there. Oh my god. Wow, I've been in this water like all evening. I think I'm pruning, so we are going to head out to the pool and go get some dinner. Alright guys, so we're finally at dinner right now, and yeah, I got some jerk pork, rice and peas and plantains, and Chili got some escovitch fish with festival and plantains. And you don't know, I have my coldless bottle here with me because we have some juice in there, cut down some of the cartridge. Yeah, travel tape. But anyway, we're about to, oh, you have some tropical already with you. So anyway, we're gonna have our dinner right now. And what did you just eat? Escovitch? Festival? Oh, I got festival in my plate too. Pork is pretty good. It's pretty good.
Your device is connected.
And your fish? Guys, let me just say, we just got in, and the food has been surprisingly good. Everything that I've had here has been good. I mean, they did fall short with the lava cake, because really and truly that was not a lava cake, it was more like a puddle. But yeah, it has been a vibe. I find that here has been pretty laid back. Today started off, for me today was like Mission Impossible Beach, like just jumping from one boat to the next. I mean, there was some good excitement for that, high energy. And then the rest of the day was, you know, basically chill. I think that's exactly what I want from my trip. I don't know about you guys. You can drop in the comment and let me know. Yeah, again, if you guys got to this part of the video, there must be something interesting that you like. And again, dropping a like on the YouTubers videos, it's super helpful. You guys don't even know. So let's try to get this video to 1,000 likes. I would appreciate it. And I'll catch you guys in the next video tomorrow. Remember the 3 things: love, nature, and adaptation. And always remember, keep the link.